I'm Marla Arzaga with eXp Realty, and I'm here with Ron Valerio with Unison Bank, and he finances land lots.
Hey Marla, thank you so much.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm Ron Valerio, Senior Vice President with Unison Bank, and what we offer is a common sense personalized touch in providing lending solutions that are out of the box of what your normal lending options are. So what we offer is construction loans, lot loans, common sense short-term financing, and bridge loans. It's really a local community bank touch and common sense lending decisions that we offer for all our clients.
Okay, perfect. And if they have to pay the loan off early, how does that work?
Yeah, great question. And so we have no prepayment penalties or early payoffs. So if we take the loan for 2 days or 3 weeks, we can take it off and there'll be no penalty to the client whatsoever. We just want to make sure the loan makes financial sense for the client in any circumstance.
Okay, and then what if somebody wants to buy land but then put a manufactured home on that?
Yeah, so what we do is we can do the manufactured home placement off the line where it's built from the site, move it over to the property, place it, and do the financing to bring the property so it can be taken out as conventional financing.
Okay, awesome. And where can they reach you if they have questions?
Yeah, so Ron Valerio, we're in Gilbert. My direct phone number is 480-710-7395.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Marla.